Welcome, beautiful soul. This is day 2 of our 5-day meditation journey. Wherever you are today, I invite you to take these next 5 minutes to come home to yourself. As you lie down or sit comfortably, allow your body to begin to soften. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale everything out, letting anything that doesn't serve you just to go. Again, breathing in calm and releasing the day. Now imagine the day gently closing, like a book, page by page. Everything that happened, everything you said, everything you didn't say, you don't need to carry it anymore. Let it go. Feel your shoulders drop, your body becoming heavier, your jaw soften. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation beginning at the top of your head, moving slowly down, relaxing your face, your neck, your chest, your arms, your stomach, your legs, all the way to your feet. You are safe to rest. Repeat softly, I release today. I release control. I allow myself to rest deeply. Any worries, place them gently outside your room. They can wait until tomorrow if needed. But tonight, you choose peace. Let your breath become natural, slow, effortless. And remember one thing now that you're grateful for, that you had today. It can be anything. It can be an action you took, something you did for yourself, someone else, a place, peace, a smile, anything simple that fills you up with love, gratefulness, and peace. And now, beautiful soul, take one last deep breath in and exhale, knowing you're gonna have the most beautiful, relaxing, deep, peaceful sleep tonight. Drift into rest, into stillness, and thank you and have a beautiful night.